Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by checking the obvious audio routing so you don't chase ghosts. Open Discord's voice and video and pick the correct microphone and speakers. Once done, update and restart Discord so new settings load. Then go to Windows Sound Communications and set it to do nothing. This stops Windows from automatically lowering system volume during calls. These steps remove the most common system-level causes before you change sensitivity or suppression features. Next, focus inside Discord. Attenuation reduces other app volumes when voice activity is detected, so disable it or set it to 0 to keep background sound steady. Then toggle noise suppression and automatic gain control to see which combination preserves background audio without clipping your voice. Make sure input sensitivity is tuned. Either manually lower the threshold so ambient sound isn't treated as interference, or switch to push-to-talk if background noise triggers muting. Test after each change to isolate the setting. Finish by validating. Use Discord's mic test or call a trusted friend and play background audio while speaking so you can hear real behavior. If problems persist, update your audio drivers and try the Discord web client. This separates app-specific issues from system ones. As a last resort, reinstall Discord or run it as administrator to reset permissions. If you still have trouble, remember one key tip. Double-check Windows communication settings and attenuation again, because those almost always explain persistent background muting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.